Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between snow-covered hills, there was a quaint cottage that stood alone at the edge of the woods. It was a cold winter's night, and the air was crisp with the promise of snowfall. The village, usually bustling with activity, now lay silent under the enchanting blanket of snow. Inside the cozy cottage, a warm fire crackled in the hearth, casting dancing shadows on the walls. Mary, a kind-hearted widow, sat knitting by the fire, her thoughts drifting to memories of her late husband, who had loved winter nights like these. As the clock struck 8, a soft knock echoed through the cottage. Mary, surprised by the unexpected visitor at this late hour, opened the door to find a shivering young girl named Lily. Her clothes were threadbare, and her cheeks were flushed from the bitter cold. "Please, may I warm myself by your fire?" "I got lost in the woods," Lily said, her eyes wide with desperation. Without hesitation, Mary welcomed the girl inside, wrapping her in a thick blanket and offering a hot cup of tea. As the warmth seeped into Lily's frozen bones, she began to share her tale. Lily was an orphan who had been wandering from village to village, seeking refuge from the harsh winter. Touched by Lily's plight, Mary decided to offer her shelter for the night. The two women spent the evening sharing stories and laughter, forging a bond that transcended the icy barriers of the world outside. As the night deepened, Mary noticed something unusual outside the window. A soft glow illuminated the snow-covered landscape, revealing the faint footprints of woodland creatures. Intrigued, Mary and Lily bundled up and ventured into the winter night. To their astonishment, they discovered a clearing in the woods where delicate snowflakes sparkled like diamonds under the light of the full moon. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic white stag, its antlers adorned with glistening crystals. The stag radiated an ethereal energy that warmed the hearts of all who beheld it. The women, captivated by the magical scene, felt a sense of peace wash over them. They realized that the cold winter's night held secrets and wonders beyond their wildest dreams. The stag, with a graceful nod, invited them to join in a dance with the snowflakes, filling the air with laughter and joy. As the first light of dawn painted the sky, the majestic stag melted into the woods, leaving Mary and Lily standing in the clearing, forever changed by the enchanting encounter. With newfound hope in their hearts, they returned to the cottage, where the fire still burned brightly and the warmth of friendship lingered. From that cold winter's night onward, the village spoke of the magical clearing, and Mary's cottage became a haven for those in need. The story of the white stag and the warmth found in the coldest of nights became a cherished tale, passed down through generations, reminding everyone that even in the harshest winters, kindness and magic could flourish.